Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add YouTube video to Wix website. So let's go to Wix first. Go to Wix editor website, editor mode. Then you have to click on this plus icon to add element. Now you have to search here. You can see at the search option. You have to search here YouTube. Now you'll find here YouTube option. Click on YouTube. Choose single video players. Okay, now choose this one. Now if you want to add your video, you have to click on change video. Now choose YouTube from here. Now you have to paste the URL from YouTube. So I'm gonna opening a YouTube video. Now you have to just right click on the specific video you want. Now click copy link address. Now go back to your website and you have to remove this one and add that YouTube URL. Okay, so you can see that the video owner does not allow me to use this video, so I'm gonna remove this one and go for another video. Just searching for videos, hold on. Right click, copy address, go back here, paste the link here, and you can see that it has been added here. Alright, now you have to click on, you can see here two options, auto plays and play in loop. You can choose any one of this. After that you have to click on publish or preview or save, whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you can add YouTube video in Wix website. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.